Millions of people depend on the Sassa grant, and here is the good news that I have for you. Sassa has implemented an increase for the month of April 2026. So, here are grants distributed by Sassa: Older Persons Pension Grant, Disability Grant, War Veterans Grant, Care Dependency Grant, Foster Child Grant, Child Support Grant, Grant in Aid, Social Relief of Distress Grant, known as the SRG Grant. The Minister of Finance delivered a speech where he was informing us about the grant increase that will take place for 2026 and how it's going to be implemented from the 1st of April in 2026. This is what the Minister of Finance had to say.
Social grants are allocated 284.7 billion rand in 25-26. This allows us to increase the old age grant.
The speech was quite long, which they selected that not every grant is going to receive an increase, and there is a allocated amount for all the grants that are going to receive an increase. And I will be showing you the following that are going to receive an increase and how much increase will you be receiving for the month of April 2026. The following are the amounts. For older persons under 75 will receive an 85 increase. Older persons grant over 75 will receive 90 rand increase. Disability grant will receive 85 rand increase. War veterans grant will receive a 90 rand increase. Care dependency grant will receive 85 rand increase. Foster care grant will receive a 70 rand increase. Child support grant will receive 20 rand increase. Grant in aid will receive 30 rand in increase. So these are the amounts that you will be receiving. For older persons will receive 2,400. Older persons over 75, 2,420. Disability grant 2,400. War veterans grant 2,420. Care dependency grant 2,400. Foster child grant 1,320. Child support grant 580. Grant in aid will be receiving the amount of 590. Please make sure that your card details are always up to date: your cell phone number, your surname, your date of birth, your ID number, so that you are located what belongs to you. In most cases, if you have trouble, make sure that you always call or go to the Department of Sassa so that they can help you further with any inquiry that you may have.
The truth is that it is one of the most comprehensive social safety nets among emerging economies. This reflects our commitment to addressing poverty and inequality.
Please don't forget that Sassa does not work on holidays and also on weekends. So don't go look for your Sassa money. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.